All right, here we go. Continuation with the K24 swap. I'm actually working on this exhaust. I was trying to use a cutoff wheel to chop this little inner part because on the exhaust manifold is actually a straight hole through. Let me show you. So even though it gets reduced a little smaller, I feel like that should probably open it up a little bit more, but why not? There's a bunch of other parts that I've ported in this car, so I'm gonna just end up porting the rest of it anyways. For example, here's the throttle body. It was already kind of shaved before. I just took off a little more. I can't open it, but yeah, I'll show you the before and after. Post a picture. The intake manifold I've port matched for the most part. Probably needs a little more, but it's opened up a lot compared to how it was. So now the reason I'm making this video is because I saw somebody else doing it on YouTube, and I went back to look at the video to see how they did it, since my my ways weren't working using this thing. I had found the perfect size that fit in there, but I guess it's just at a certain angle where, as you can see, it cuts one part in a certain section of it, but it doesn't go all the way around. So I'm gonna use the old catalytic converter cutter. That's what these guys use, but it's battery operated, so you know it's not me. All right, I'm corded over here. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to cut that out with that. Let's see how that goes. That was quick. All right, so we got that far in. So I'm gonna just keep working my way around till I can probably get it sideways like that, and maybe I can go all the way around like that. I'm gonna try to do that. I'm not gonna record the whole thing, but I'll show you the end result. All right, so here, this is what I was using before, so you guys get an idea of what I was trying to do. Like I said, it fit perfectly in there, but that wasn't cutting it literally and figuratively. But yeah, this is actually working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this tab down. I'm gonna end up cutting around this, and when I come around, I'll just end up chopping that little part off. And yeah, I know it's a stock manifold, but all right, so with a combination of these three, I've achieved this, and I have removed that much material, and who knows how many shards, but that's a big difference than from what it was before. So now I'm using this thing just to clean it up. We'll see how good it gets. All right, so there you go. That's probably as good as it's gonna get. Oops. All right, so you guys can see what I see. Take note, use a strong drill. All right, here you go. Use a strong drill, because a power drill, battery power drill, is not gonna be enough. So I'm just cleaning it up, the last of it, so you guys can see it actually goes all the way through. So better than stock. Originally, this is the JDM one that doesn't fit, but as you can see, had pretty much the same type of pipe. You can see the big difference. Yeah, I'm not sure what size. Let me see. It's a 2 1/4. Yeah, so it's a 2 1/4. So that's what that's been bored out to, 2 1/4 now. Let's see, what is it stock? 2 inches. Yeah, so it went from 2, which that's exactly what was over here. So imagine that it's gonna fall in. That to that may not look like much, but you know, it does make a difference, and it doesn't have to be pretty for it to work. You know what I mean? So there you go. How much of an improvement? I don't know. I wouldn't be able to tell you, not just yet, or I wouldn't be able to tell you because I'm doing a bunch of mods all at once before I put it all back in. So we'll see. So until next time, guys. Peace.